Today in our food method channel, let's see a unique mushroom recipe from Odisha. For this recipe, I am taking 200 grams of cleaned mushrooms and chopping them into small pieces. Patra Poda is basically an Odia dish. Patra means leaf, Poda means charred or burnt. In Odisha, when wild mushrooms are easily available during monsoon season, the mushrooms are coated with masala, wrapped in leaves, and cooked over wood fire or on tawa. Now, slow cooking over wood fire is almost impossible, and sourcing leaves is also difficult. Let's transfer the mushroom to a plate. Next, I am chopping one medium sized onion into small pieces. Today, this is a distinct dish of Odisha. Apart from mushrooms, patra poda can also be made with fish, chicken, prawns, and even potatoes. Add the chopped onion also to the mushroom. Next, I am taking one medium sized tomato. It is quite sour, so I will be using only 3/4 of it. Let's chop the tomato also into small pieces. It is said that traditionally tomatoes are not added to this recipe. Add the chopped tomato also to the mushroom and onion. Next, take 4 green chillies and also fine chop them. The authentic version of the recipe is quite spicy, but I am preparing it with medium spicy today. Add the chopped green chilies to the mushroom, onion, and tomato. Now let's add 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds, 2 dried red chilies, 1.5 teaspoons of jeera, and 10 to 12 garlic cloves to a jar and grind it to a smooth paste. Next, I'm taking a handful of coriander leaves and chopping it finely. The grounded mustard paste is not so watery or not so thick. Now let's add 1 teaspoon of the mustard paste to the mushroom mixture and set it aside. Add turmeric powder and chili powder, half teaspoon each. Add required salt to the mixture. Add a small teaspoon of mustard oil. If unavailable, feel free to use any other oil of your choice. Finally, mix everything well together with your hand. In the traditional recipe, jeera is not used. Since mustard has a strong flavor, I have included some jeera to make the taste more balanced. Now let's add some mustard oil to the heavy bottom pan and add some mustard seeds and wait till the mustard splatter. Now add the remaining mustard paste. As mustard is the base of the masala, usage of mustard oil enhances the flavor. The mustard base, garlic and smoky flavor from the char leaves are all the uniqueness of this recipe. Let the masala cook well in the oil. Cook until the oil separates from the masala. Add the masala coated mushroom mix to the pan. Mix well with the cooked masala. Check salt at this point and add if required. I used garlic with skin as I used small ones. If you use bigger ones, remove the skin and reduce the quantity. Add the chopped coriander leaves on the top and close the lid. Let the mushroom cook for 10 minutes in low heat. The mushroom is cooked well and oil have separated. The dish becomes more flavorful and develops smoky aroma when the mushrooms are let well browned. That's it. Odia style mushroom recipe is ready. Serve this mushroom hot with steamed rice. Try out this flavorful mushroom recipe today and let me know in the comments how it turned out. If you liked the recipe, please like the video and subscribe to the Food Method channel. Thank you.